Hi guys. So today we'll show you how things should be working while using a Windows machine. So first you go to your browser and you just have to download VS Code here. Okay. And next would be you have to download Chocolatey. Okay. I would say better download Chocolatey first because Chocolatey can help you to do everything. Okay. So even installing a VS Code can be done via Chocolatey, which is actually more easier to work with. So let's go to Chocolatey first. Step one is just seeing this etc. They have a lot of notes going on. Just skip down to this command where they say change the execution policy, and after that, Choco will be able to install your steps. Okay. So first we need to this execution policy change because Windows doesn't allow directly script changes that easy. So we need to make sure to know that. We'll click on the start menu to get the our terminal application for now. So by default in Windows, is a terminal is opening with the PowerShell support at these days. So you can see here. So, but if we like start it and without an administrator, we might have some issues. So we'll just right click on the icon and run it as an administrator. Okay. So now this one opens up. So we'll just full screen this and we'll start working on this. So the first thing that we need is to run the command that we have. So we'll open our Chocolatey command from here. I will just take a copy from this place and I click on here and I'll just right click and paste. So the moment I pasted the script here, it should start. Maybe it should ask for permissions. Maybe it will ask to restart the system. But the first thing that is a necessity that you have to make sure that your system is installing this. I'll definitely see if there's an output that's gonna show up, and we'll take it from there. If there's any bug, I'll keep that in the recording. Otherwise, we'll skip this. Okay, it started to install, which is good. Okay. Okay, it's showing us that it's in progress, which is also good. So we don't need to do anything. Even we don't need to install VS Code via downloading it from somewhere. We can directly install via Chocolatey. Okay, while this is happening, let's collect our commands that we need to work on. Okay, we should start by searching Chocolatey commands. So choco install nvm uh, VS Code in Windows. Okay, we'll do this. We'll do this, and I'm pretty sure that our AI would help us while doing this. But let's see if we could find things. Okay. 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 So they have like don't didn't give us any instructions here, but no problem. We'll just quickly go to write the word Gemini and then we'll add this and it should start thinking. And now it gave us two commands that we needed. So we'll just install these two commands and using NVM will give us capability to install node versions, nodejs versions, which is the baseline application that we're going to use to generate our scaffold over React Native app. So now we have the commands to work with. So it's simple choco install nvmy and Choco install VS Code Y. Okay, so we are still waiting. Okay, we're done here. Everything is done. So we need to restart the PowerShell as it mentioned. So let's quickly do that. Okay. Here, okay, friends. So we'll open in the terminal. We'll go to our terminal, click right, and do run as administrator. So once the terminal opens as run as administrator, we'll be able to proceed further to give permission to Chocolatey to have installations in our C directory. Okay. So definitely we need the commands that we were doing before. Let's see if it still remembers the commands of ours. So okay, yeah, it does. So get execution policy should be restricted. So we had the command to bypass, and if we check now, it says it's bypass, which means we can easily install our node version manager. So once this is done, we should be able to have an impact. Okay, so it says NVM is approved, NVM install is completed, performing other installation steps, which is brilliant. Okay, awesome. So it's setting NVM for us, which is also good. Let's see if we have anything else. Okay, I guess it's done. It should give us at least a basic output here. Good. So NVM install is good. So now if I use NVM install 20, so what it would do is so we need to restart this to have the access of NVM. So but yeah, this is installed, so let's do it as it follows. So we'll go to the terminal again, right click on it, run as administrator, mark it yes, and try NVM. Oh, sorry, NVM. Okay, so we have NVM. So we'll do clear screen. We'll keep the terminal open, and let's see NVM install 20. So it should install nodejs. So instead of downloading it from the browser, it is doing this for us right now. So while it's installing nodejs, let's quickly have our Windows. So we need to then make sure that execution policy is good. So there, and then now we can use the same command NVM not NVM, choco install vscode -y. -y is for like giving it all the permissions. So let's see what it does. So it's installing nodejs. So we have nodejs now, which means we can scaffold any project that we want to. And next is Choco trying to install VS Code for us. Let's see if it can help us with that. It does. Believe me, it does. It will be smoother. So VS Code is approved, which is good. So let's see. And it has started downloading 191 MB of VS Code. Awesome, right? We didn't even need to open a browser. All we need to do was like run the commands and search for exact names. So it's the pro tip that you use the word Gemini and then you write the query, and it should give you the better output instead of you scaffolding a lot of projects. Okay, so basically doing this should do what we need. Okay, while let's hold on, let's complete this, and then we have another command to run to make sure that we have Git in our system, because with the Git we will be able to do much more, and I think so Git should be a must part in your Windows. So let's see. While VS Code is trying to install, what we should do, we should install the other commands now. So we'll write the word clear or CLS. We'll see NVM install git git for us. Okay, so error receiving HTTPS 4, which means it doesn't have, oh, I tried with NVM, which is wrong. It should be choco install git -y. Oh, git -y. Okay, so let's see if it does help us with this. It should. We're trying for the commands at the moment. Okay, So it's downloading Git as well, which is good. So installing this should give us at least a Git bash. So instead of running this terminal, we'll be moving to Git bash in order to work with more commands. Okay. Okay. So it says vscode is installed, which is good, which is good, which is good, which is good. Which means if I search now in the application, we have our apps. You see that? How easy it is. So it took some time, but of course. So we open our beautiful VS Code, and this should be it. So while this is opening, let's see. Well, Choco is trying to install GitHub. It's still taking its sweet little time. Okay, we could have done some like look for a verbose command. So for every CLI command, there's a verbose command which can help us. But let's see. Okay. We have our VS Code running. Awesome. We don't have any Android Studio. We don't have any Xcode or stuff, but we have our VS Code. We don't need these extra things for now. We don't even need to log in. So yeah, I would say dark or solarized is better. So it's daytime for me, so I'll start with solarized. Okay. Then it says like, do you want this? I said no. We don't want no agent from you. Okay, so there we go. A basic, beautiful, latest VS Code in our system. Next is we need to check. Okay, we have git installed, which means if I go to the system and write the word git, so we have the git bash. So we don't need this anymore to have the terminal open for everything. So we'll just close this, which is good. So there you have it, guys. So that's how you install your Git. Okay, so if I go to a git bash terminal and open, this should be a sweet little terminal window as like that as we had for our terminal. But what this gives us is this gives us more visibility on the folder structure and everything, and where we are at this moment, and should we work in this or no. So there we have it, guys. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Thank you. So a basic Node.js version like node -v, okay, node, okay, nvm use 20, we have that. Okay, so we had to do that. Okay, now node -v should show us that we have Node.js with us as well. Awesome. So this is great. Thank you.